What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna try a new experiment. We're gonna try to clean a little bit the headlights. I already ordered some new sweet LED lights, but for now, since I'm waiting for them to get from Germany, we'll be working on the current one and take some risk anyway. We're gonna swap it anyway, so let's try. This is how they looks like. I have a spotlight facing it so they don't look so bad, but actually they're very bad. That's why I decided even to replace them. But now we're gonna try to work on them a little bit and see if we can improve something or not. Okay, so here is after we pass 2000 grip Scotch-Brite. So let's go after and see how it looks like. Okay. Okay, now it's all scrubbed. And yeah, it seems pretty good. All matte. That's the result I was expecting. Was the result you want to look forward to. Yeah, maybe this part over here is a little bit less work it, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit more on this part, and then go ahead with some polish and see the final result. Stay tuned. Okay guys, this is how it was before. So this is like the left side of the lights. Now let me show you real quick. This side, the thing got worse. I don't know what you guys think about this. Please let me know down in the comment down below. But I think it's a little bit worse. It looks all kind of like foggy in it, which before was as well, but now it's kind of like in a different way. So not really happy with the result. Please let me know what you think. What's up, guys? No, I didn't like it. The result, this is how I was looking for before, and this is how it looks like now. It's very similar. Nothing's changed, but anyway, I wanted to try for sure. If you try the polymers, that the one you can get online, it will be much better, but I just want to give it a try. I'm not gonna buy the polymer kit from the internet, because I'm gonna swap these headlights with the new one. So anyway, hope you like enjoy the video. Stay tuned, more things are coming. Hit the subscribing button. See you soon. Cheers, guys.